Hi, boys and girls. Look what I found on the clearance rack. Oh, a brown box. You know what shape that is? Rectangular. Okay, let's open it up. Oh my goodness, here we got, let's see. I think that's a lion. And this, what is that? That is a whale. Animals busy book, so there's going to be a lot of different animals in here, huh? These are Velcro stickers, boys and girls, so you have to match these up and they stick together. So I'm going to put one of these on this now, that green spot there. And then put it on our whale here. There we go. Let's try another one. One more. These are cows. Moo. Can you say moo with me, boys and girls? Moo. That's the sound a cow makes. And then we're going to stick it right there. So you're going to be learning numbers. You're going to be learning the different types of animals here. That is awesome. Let's go to the next page. Next page, now we have these cards and we're going to be learning our ABCs. You're going to be doing the same thing, boys, because you have the green dot there and there's probably a green dot back here. There it is. There's a green dot. Here's the A card with the upper and lowercase a. And A is for what animal, boys and girls? A is for alpaca. B is for bear. C is for camel. D is for deer. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for giraffe. H is for hippo. I is for ibis. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nightingale. O is for owl. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for rhino. S is for sheep. T is for tiger. U is for urchins. V is for vulture. W is for wolf. X is for xenopus. Y is for yak. And Z is for zebra. Here, let's go to the next page. Who runs fast? One, two, you trace over the number and you're practicing writing your numbers. And then you erase it and practice again. Remember, practice makes perfect. So you're going to be going from 1 through 10. And here are the letters of the alphabet. Oh, this is awesome. These are the penguins. And here is our letter A. Trace, oh, no, I can't say again. B. It's hard for me to write in the air, boys and girls, so I'm not going to do it anymore. But you see what I mean? And then you get a Kleenex and erase. There we go. Look at all the stuff you're going to be learning in this animal's busy book.